Hey guys, right now I'm going to unbox Kiwi Design's Oculus Quest 2 strap and a quick installation. So the package came from Amazon just now. And I'm so excited to replace the standard strap of the Oculus Quest. Inside the box, the strap, manual, and a microfiber cloth. Looking at the strap, the padding is very soft and comfy. The Velcro is sturdy. We have here is the back bracket. You can tighten it, loosen it depending on your head size by rotating this one. So to install the Kiwi strap, first we need to remove the sides of the original strap gently. Remove the face cover and also the glass spacer if you have it installed. Remove the strap gently. And now we insert the Kiwi strap. And then put everything back. Gently lock the sides and wait for it to snap. Then insert the back pad to the bracket. Oh god, I love how comfy the cushion is. Lock it and we're good. And that's how you easily install your Kiwi Oculus Quest 2 strap. So that's what's inside the Kiwi's Oculus Quest 2 box and its installation. So will you buy this strap? Comment down your thoughts for this strap. Again, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and don't forget to like and share. And as always, I'll see you on the next.